Okay, bear with me. This is my first video, but I thought I'd share this with you guys because it was driving me crazy. So here's my 4.7 liter on my Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I had this tick that wasn't the valves or anything, or the lifters, but I had this tick that was coming from the front timing chain, and I couldn't figure it out until I took it all apart. And I found out that the factory stud that goes right at the bottom here started to actually wear funny, as you can see. So what I ended up doing is I grabbed a bolt and I said, forget about the stud. I want that thing fixed in there good. And we made a bushing. I'll show you the bushing here. And we put a normal bolt in there. So there's a bushing like this in there that we sanded down to fit the right OD, and then we kind of pressed it in there and put an actual bolt in there so that it doesn't slap back and forth. So I'm going to put this all back together, and I'm going to see if my ticking's gone away because it was driving me crazy. I'll continue this video here once I throw everything back together. Thanks.